Hi friends. Today I will show you 5 new cool gadgets which you can buy from online stores. Please give a like if you enjoyed this video. Let's begin. Mabot. Mabot is a plug-and-play modular robot, which has endless combinations and possibilities. Students build, customize and program robots, while exploring mechanisms, engineering, coding, and developing STEAM skills. The Mabot IDE app, designed on Scratch, will walk students through coding basics, allowing them to progress as they master modules. Teach sequences, loops, events, functions, logic, conditionals and more. Shelby Destroyer. Target and eliminate your rivals with precision and accuracy, from further distances at firing speeds up to 120 FPS. Constructed with lightweight, durable materials and backed by a 25-year warranty, now you can experience the best ever real-life gaming for generations. Or just use it to break watermelons. Toyshine Drift. This stunt car has a unique design, fast lateral movement, 360-degree rotation, cold colored lights, very easy to operate, amazing crawling technology and strong shocks makes it easy to use on rugged roads or off-road, and climbing over pebbles and large stones without affecting its performance. The rubber tires material are made of high quality. The soft terrain buggy is powered by a double magnet motor that makes it a fun experience to play with. Fin gears. Fin gears are magnetic freestyle rings different from any other fidget or stress relief gadget. You can do tricks, spin, and stick them to surfaces, play games with friends. The possibilities are endless. Turbocharge your imagination, dexterity, and wash away stress. Anyone can become a magnetic master. Ghost Yoyo. The Ghost is bimetal. Constructed of aircraft quality 6061 aluminum with stainless steel rings for advanced Yoyo tricks. Aluminum is anodized for color, added strength, and corrosion resistance. Responsive means it wakes like a standard Yoyo, and binding is not required to wake the Yoyo up.